What up, guys? I know a lot of people have been talking about Amazon Merch's content policy change that happened this week, where they told us we can no longer use words like gift and birthday in our product listings. So in this video, I'm going to give you my thoughts on what we should do about this, and I'm going to look back at older changes to Amazon Merch's content policy and what we did then. So let's get started. Quick reminder, you can enter my weekly print-on-demand giveaway for free using the link in the description. This week, sponsored by Merch Titans Upload Automation, Merch Ninja Research Tools, and All Sunsets Premium Pre-Made Graphics for your print-on-demand business. Also in the description, you can find a link to my 7-day merch mini course and my Amazon Merch Facebook group. All right, so I mentioned we would look back at older changes to the Amazon Merch content policy. Here's just a few examples. There was one from November 9th, 2020, where they updated their policy on profanity. Another one from, I believe this was 2020 as well. What is that? September 6th, I think. And they, again, changed their content policy there. Inaccurate product metadata, which is similar to what we're talking about this time. And I believe this might have been 2019. What is that? January, February, March 29th. And they changed their content policy for product descriptions back then as well to deter people from keyword stuffing, referencing colors, effects, and textures. So the reason I shared these guys is because this most recent update is nothing new. And I'm guessing it's not even that prominent because I didn't see this pop up on our Amazon Merch dashboard in the announcements. And all of those other three that I just showed you all popped up in the dashboard announcements. So part of the reason why I showed you them as well, those past three, is that I never made any changes to my listings because of a content policy update, ever, right? So I'm just talking about me personally. You guys know I'm in a high tier, right? I have a lot of uploads. The amount of time and effort it would take me to go through all those listings and try to sweep keywords would be crazy. Plus, here's the most important reason I'm sharing this. I've never had any issues by not doing it. However, if I try to update a product listing that's like from 2017, like some of my early ones, for some reason, there's like bugs in even updating them. Not all of them, but some. And oftentimes I'll get rejections for like no reason, I feel like, or maybe there's like a hidden keyword in the description. I don't know. But when you resubmit, you're open for a rejection. But if you, in my experience, right, in my 4+ years experience now, if you just don't change anything, in the past, you've been fine. So I'm thinking that in the future, we'd probably be okay. All right. That's my personal thoughts here. So what they've said, we should just read this. I'll read it. Metadata issues. Make sure your listing's metadata doesn't result in inaccurate search results or impair customers' ability to make good buying decisions. We do not allow metadata containing information unrelated to the design, such as suggested use. Example, gift, perfect for birthday. Promotional phrases. Example, free shipping, bestseller, or other unrelated metadata. Example, 100% guarantee, quality guarantee, new product. Please ensure the title, feature bullets, or description match the design. So they want it to be very design centric and describe the design. There are increasingly more and more landmines as far as keywords that can trigger rejections. My plan moving forward is not to upload any products with the keywords gift or birthday. I mean, birthday is probably still okay. I doubt it'll trigger rejection, but that's the thing. I mean, think about this, guys. There's still going to be designs related to gifts. So what are they going to do? Reject all those? And there's going to be designs related for birthdays. I don't think that this is something that we need to get too worked up about. I'm just guessing. So if I'm wrong, you got to do your own due diligence. And if you think it's best to just sweep through your entire catalog of offerings and update them, feel free. But I know some of you guys have done that in the past, updated 500, 1,000, 2,000 listings. And then you don't know if you needed to, right? Because you're in the clear. You made up for sure that you're in the clear. Whereas someone like me, I never went and tried to do it. It was just one of those, it would have just been such a massive undertaking. I couldn't see it happening realistically. And I know I would have probably ended up getting more rejections than I would have saved. So that's my thoughts, guys. This video doesn't need to go on too long. Let me know in the comments below what your plan is. Did you already go through and update all your listings? I know I saw a couple people in my merch Facebook group saying that they did that. But those people, to their benefit, I know it's not really a benefit to be in the low tiers, but this is one of those cases where if you only need to update 10 listings or 25 listings or even 100, It's not that bad, right? It's not. It could be 100,000 or what, like 100, and I think I'm at 108,000 listings now. It could be that much worse. So that's it, guys. That's all I wanted to talk about in this video. If you enjoyed it, do me a favor, hit that like button and make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.